All right, boss, we're at 103. The bottom looks, I don't know why this is on the camera. Uh-huh.
Make a left.
Uh-huh. What'd it say, fish face?
No. No.
Okay.
Look.
You want me to head back in? It's 107.
Here.
Straighten her out and head
Make a
up.
left.
Okay.
With the bow at the beach.
Okay. West end she goes.
Board left. I mean, turn all the way. There you go.
Take it out of gear.
Now. I want to jump in at like 98.
All right. Gotcha. Wow, look at that at 101. Woo, Lord.
Outside strip is starting water to go to.
Look at that. Look at that bottom.
Probably dropped off of there again.
98, yeah.
Take it out of gear, please.
You got it. All right, say hi to Castro for me.
Catch a fish friend.
Will do. There he goes, little man.
Ew.
Ew.
Joey, can I have one big chocolate?
You just had a chocolate. I'm not busting open your daddy's chocolate until he comes up and busts it open himself.
I can bust it open.
Then you do it yourself.
Okay.
I got you on camera. Got you on video. Video don't lie. Is there another little piece in the old one or no? Are you still eating that piece?
What?
Is that the piece he gave you before in your mouth, or you already ate that?
I already ate it.
No. That looks like the piece you've been sucking on for the last 10 minutes.
I was not.
Yeah, you were.
I ate the little piece.
Where'd that come from? Okay, so you're good, right? Okay, good. I'm bored. Let's sing a song.
No.
What do you want to do? All right. We're going to be moving a lot because the wind is picking up and I got to stay with Papa.
That is far away. Daddy is far away.
I know, I see him. Don't worry.
You want to drive to him?
In a few minutes. You going up on the roof? All right. I'll see you up on the roof, all right?
Okay.
All right, buddy.
Hello. Hello. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum.
Do you see yourself in the camera?
Nope.
All right.
It's not a camera, it's a GoPro.
Okay. Where you going now? Thought you were staying up on the roof.
You have to drive.
So you can stay on the road when I drive. I'm not going
This
to go
is
fast.
not sharp.
I know, it's just an old dive knife. Who cares? It's like a tool.
I farted.
Huh?
Farted.
You farted.
Yum, yum.
Can you smell it? Me neither, thank God. Huh?
I should when I catch a big fish at the dock, I'll
Yeah.
cut it up.
You got some right there in the look, they're following each other and down in the bucket from the dock.
Wait, what did you say?
The fish in the bucket, the minnows that your dad got you this morning. Or did you catch those?
Dad, me and Dad.
Okay, good. Hey, you're gonna cut. Hey, stop that! You're gonna ruin this. Stop it.
Okay.
This boat is beat up enough.
Why can't you not go over there?
Not go over where?
Over there.
What do you mean, me? Walk up there? I can go, but I'm at the wheel.
Oh.
Yeah.
But do you want to go right now?
No. I gotta turn the boat around. I want to get something to drink. Maybe some grapefruit or something. How's that sound? Gross, huh? Want to have a grapefruit with me? Oh shit! You punched the freaking thing. You're a wild raccoon. Look at it, it's upside down.